Hello there! Trying to decide which WOCA penetrating oil is right for you? A question we frequently receive from customers when looking for a WOCA penetrating finish is what the biggest difference is between the WOCA Master Color Oil and the WOCA Diamond Oil Active. WOCA Denmark offers a wide range of penetrating oils that can help achieve everything from finishing new hardwood floors to renewing second-hand wood furniture. From a handmade chair to wood flooring for an international airport, each WOCA oil has its own unique advantage. But first, let's discuss what properties that both the WOCA Master Color Oil and Diamond Oil Active share. Both penetrating oils are plant-based, feature high-quality ingredients, safe for use on all wood species including exotics, and have a low sheen, matte finish. Now that we know what properties each product shares, let's discuss what makes them different. WOCA Master Color Oil provides color and an oil finish in one step. It penetrates and hardens deep inside the wood, and as a result, wood floors become stronger and better withstand wear. Master Color Oil contains fine pigments and is available in 11 different colors, which can be mixed to create a custom color. Ideal for low-traffic homes or areas, such as bedrooms. We also recommend Master Color Oil for use on wood furniture, walls, ceilings, tables, and even cabinetry. The ability to mix the different pigments also makes it a perfect option for woodworkers or woodcraft enthusiasts. While Master Color Oil provides a great option for furniture or low-traffic homes, WOCA's Diamond Oil Active offers a more durable wood finish. A single-component, extremely durable penetrating oil, Diamond Oil Active not only is made from plant-based materials, but also provides a low-odor, safe wood finishing product that is free of isocyanates. Diamond Oil Active's unique hyper-cross-linking technology will give your wood floor a durable, natural-feeling, non-slip surface, leaving floors with a water-resistant and easy-to-clean finish. This penetrating oil is ideal for more high-traffic areas in the home, such as kitchens, and is more suitable for homes with small children or pets. Diamond Oil Active's durability also makes it perfect for commercial spaces, such as restaurants, retail stores, and offices. Now that you understand what sets these two penetrating oil products apart, you are well on your way to deciding which WOCA oil is best for your wood finishing project. For more information on WOCA products, feel free to visit our website.